One of the most frequently asked questions that we get is, what is involved in maintaining a happy hull protector? Well, pretty much zero. Make sure it gets a clean every few years. This particular Pro model that we have this boat sitting on has been in the water over 2 years in a high growth area, and we're about to show you how much is attached itself. Now bear in mind that if this boat had been in the water without any anti-foul product on at all, this is what you'd be seeing on the bottom of this boat. Let's have a look. I think you'll agree that that was quite a lot of growth, wasn't it? So now we're going to show you how easy it is to get rid of all of it in just a few minutes. Okay, we're finished doing the clean. Let's have a little look underneath and see what it looks like. That's a lot better, isn't it? We've just shown you how easy it is to maintain a happy hull. Less than 10 minutes every few years is all it takes. But it does raise the question, why can't you just use one of those brushes and clean the hull with it yourself without the need for a happy hull? Well, there's a few reasons why. First reason, that brush is only going to get rid of soft growth. Hard growth is still going to form, which is going to massively impact the boat's speed and performance. Second reason, you're still going to have to use anti-foul products if you're not using a happy hull, which is expensive, time consuming and toxic. A brush is never going to get rid of enough of the growth to warrant just using that alone. Reason 3, electrolysis. Electrolysis is stray currents in a marina environment that can dissolve and corrode metallic parts on your boat. The happy hull acts as an insulator to prevent these stray currents deteriorating any part of the boat underneath the waterline. The final reason is happy hull, when used in conjunction with our auto pump system, which is a small pump that just slides on the back of the transom, effectively is dry docking your boat. It'll pump out the majority of the water in a matter of minutes. So what that means is your boat isn't sitting in the salt water that causes the deterioration. So your ancillaries, your trim tabs, your bow thruster, anything that's below the waterline is protected because the water has been removed. So there you have it, 4 solid reasons why you should be using a happy hull protector. Now the next clip is going to show you the same boat that we've just demoed with the Pro model. They'd been sitting on it for 469 days. We lifted it and you can see how clean the hull is. Now bear in mind that this has no anti-foul products applied to it at all, it's just the happy hull doing its thing. I'm sure you'll agree, it looks like a diamond.